Welcome back guys again to my this video. This is Dani Labs official and you are watching the video about how to make a software in which we can invent a login or sign up system. So before start the video, go on our YouTube channel and like our video and subscribe to our channel and watch the video till end to use AIA file. AIA file is in description, but you can't use AIA file until you watch whole video, because the steps which we tell about this software are very important to use this AIA file. So follow my steps and keep watching the video till end. So let's get started. First of all, I am showing you a installed app which I made. So I'm just going to install my app and showing you. Just wait a second. Yes, this is so first of all I am just installing the app, so to show you how this app works, and then I'll show you what you have to do to use this app. AIA file is in description, but I'm suggesting you to watch this video till end, because if you don't watch this video till end, you can't use AIA file properly, because the steps which we are showing are very important. So just keep watching this video till end. So now I'm opening the app has been installed. So as you can see that here is the setup of login, and here is the setup of sign up. So first of all, I'm going to sign up. Click on sign up and I'm entering a number, for example 1122. I've entered a number double two and double one, and I'm entering a password same as number double two double one. You can change the password, but I am entering the same double two double one, and I'm clicking on submit. When data has been saved, this will shows the login screen. And what is my number? Double two double one, but I'm entering a wrong number, because I'm showing you if I enter a wrong number, what this software will do with me. So I'm just entering a wrong number, for example 0001 or something else, and entering a wrong password. I just enter anything for test. Wait a second. I'm entered a password, and when I click login, you can see that it says invalid details. It's showing invalid details. And if I enter the true numbers, for example double two double one, then what this will one then we will check the action of software double two double one, and same the password double two double one. So I'm just logging in. Yes, as you can see that when I click on login with correct details, it's showing congratulations, and you can enter anything on here. So this is very simple. When you click on when you enter correct detail and click on login, then it will show another screen with congratulations label. So this is very simple to make, and today I'm going to show that how to make this. So let's get started. First of all, go on thunkable.com and import our project, upload AIA from computer and choose file as we showed that. Link is in description. Download that and upload on here, and then click on login. And as you can see that here is the layout of app. This is a sign up screen. We are going on screen 1, and here you can see that label as login, and here is text box and password. Here is login and sign up here. So first you have to do that. You have to click on the Thunkable banner, add mob banner, and paste your add unit ID on here, and same your add unit ID on here. Uncheck this personalized ad and personalized ad. check that if your screen sizing is responsive or fixed. This is fixed, change it to responsive, and then go on firebase db1, remove that all the data from here, remove data, and also here remove all the data, and then go on firebase.google.com and create a new project. On firebase.google.com you have to create a new project. So you can click on add project or use existing project. For example, I have a project firebase, so I'm clicking on firebase. Now you have to do that, go on your database, and then choose real-time database. After choosing real-time database, go on rules. On rules, check that if there is a mark of true and true. If there label is if its label is false, then change it to true and save. Then your app will work, otherwise your app will not work. And then go on project and then go on data. After go on data, click on here and copy that link and then paste it to Thunkable on here, firebase URL, paste on it here, and then firebase token, from where we will get firebase token. So go on the setting icon and go on project setting, and then you can see that web API key. Copy that web API key and paste it in the place of firebase token. Okay, and then and then how we get project bucket. Now again go on firebase. You can enter anything else in the project bucket, but I suggested you to enter this project ID in project bucket. This is my style to enter firebase data, so you can enter anything else on here, but this step is very important for firebase and this app, because all your data will save on firebase on your firebase data on here database option. After choosing database, you have to choose real-time databases. Okay, so after these settings, you are able to store data in your firebase. And again go on sign up, and then when sign up screen opens, click on add mob interstitial 1 and remove check mark of personalized ad and paste your ad unit ID on here. And again add mob banner ID, remove that personalized ad and paste your ad unit ID in the place of this ad unit ID blank space. And again add mob banner 2, remove the check mark and paste your ad unit ID on here blank space to show ads on your app. So by this step you can earn money. So next your step is that go on firebase db1. On firebase db1 you have to again remove that data and same do with this control project bucket as project ID and your firebase URL here and your project token. Your firebase token is here. Web API key is the project token of your firebase. Firebase token is also known as the web API key. Okay, then I am showing you how this app works. So when you click on login, what the app will do? First of all, when let's go with beginning. When the sign up windows open, then when submit button click, if submit checkbox text is not equal to blank, if this is not equal to blank, then this will call firebase db1 to store value. This will store value on firebase and the value will be stored on firebase tag equal to your number and value equal to your text. And then when value will store, this will go on next screen 1, and when you will click on login, what this app will do with you. Then when screen 1 on click on screen 1, when sign in click, then what will app will do, if mobile text is not equal to blank, then what this app will do, this will do call firebase get value. This will call firebase to get value, and a value this will get a mobile text is equal to tag on firebase. And when firebase db1 got value, if get tag will appear on here, you can drag and drop here. If get tag equal to this and get value equal to this, then open another screen. Otherwise else set label 5 text to invalid details and set label 5 text color to red color. So this is very simple. Make your project and make your app with this simple step. AIA file is in description. You can download the AIA file and enjoy this software by importing on your Thunkable project. So I'm sure you will like this video. I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, like my video and subscribe our channel to get updated with us for new AIA files and new updates about Thunkable, Firebase and more. So keep watching my other videos, and we will meet into next video. Bye bye.